Have you ever considered how much you could save on energy costs with more efficient HVAC chiller performance? Or how proactive maintenance could extend the life of your equipment? We'll get into that soon, but first, let me brief about our company. Welcome to Avanya AI Private Limited, an IoT implementation company founded in 2020 with headquarters in Pune, India. We have a strong customer base in the manufacturing, HVAC, industrial and residential generators, and commercial plumbing industries. Our award-winning platform, Avanya Cube, has been recognized for its excellence in IoT solutions. Now, let's explore how IoT can enhance your HVAC chiller performance. With real-time monitoring, proactive maintenance, and optimized energy usage, our solutions help you achieve greater efficiency and savings. IoT sensors continuously monitor the operational parameters of your HVAC chillers, including temperature, pressure, and energy consumption. This data is sent to a centralized system where you can track performance in real time. By analyzing this data, you can identify inefficiencies and optimize the system for peak performance. Proactive maintenance is another key benefit. IoT technology can predict when maintenance is needed based on usage patterns and equipment health, allowing you to address issues before they lead to costly breakdowns. This not only extends the lifespan of your chillers, but also reduces energy consumption, leading to significant cost savings. Our clients rave about our dedication and the impactful results we deliver in IoT. We turn innovative ideas into real-world solutions, driving success and satisfaction. Boost your HVAC chiller efficiency with our advanced IoT solutions. Contact us today for a free consultation and see how we can help you achieve greater performance and savings. Stay updated with the latest in IoT. Follow us for news and insights. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Connect with us on LinkedIn.